Come on. I'm gonna let you stay off the leash today. Gotta act like a good girl. Good girl. Let's go in the back so we can use the bathroom. Gracie, come on. Use the bathroom. We ain't got time to be playing, girl. So I can go eat this food. You gonna make my food get cold waiting on you. Look at her trying to get that squirrel. Let me go get this girl. Gracie, come on now. Come on, mama. Use the bathroom. Over here, Gracie. Over here, mama. Looking for that damn squirrel. She thinks she... Come on. You think you gonna catch that? You ain't gonna catch that squirrel, girl. You need to use the bathroom. Look at the squirrel down there running. Gracie, use the bathroom. Keys. Come on. Come on. She got game. Back here. Come on. Look, I'm gonna get her.